After you have made a professional and attractive resume, now what? Come on, start applying. But before that, know all the ways to find a job and apply for a job. A few decades back, the best way to look for a job was a personal reference, searching through newspapers, or queuing up outside an employment exchange. But now, with telecommunication and internet at its peak, the ways for looking for an ideal job are numerous. But don't forget, so is the number of candidates per vacancy, and this number is so large that it has transformed the interview from being a process of selection to a process of selective rejection. Hence, it is extremely important to adopt a unique strategy for each channel of communication, because theory of preference holds true here as well. The goal is to create a preference at each and every door, so that whenever opportunity knocks, you are the first one to be picked up. Milton Berle once quoted, "If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door," which is very true in case of a job hunt, because we really need to make doors and not just a single door, as opportunity in this case may knock on any door. As put rightly by Thomas Alva Edison, opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. So building doors is a continuous work process till the goals are achieved. So let's be obedient to what these wise men said and start building the doors today. The first, the biggest and the best door is a personal reference. Current hiring scenario is not only tedious but highly confusing for the employers as well. The cost of wrong recruitment is much higher than cost of recruitment, which in itself is pretty high. So employers are also looking for resources which are highly cost efficient as well as highly performance assuring. Internal employee reference just offers that, and that's why every company is promoting employee referral scheme. Second in line is job portals. Now when I say job portals, I actually don't mean by job postings, but what I mean is resume posting in the portals database. Most companies as well as recruitment consultants chose to search in portals database as the first step towards candidate search because of the comprehensiveness of the information provided and the easy use of the software system to aid in first level filtering. But there is a huge difference in simply submitting your resume and wisely using the system to your advantage. Next door opens at the office of recruitment consultants. Bridging the gaps between the HR departments and the candidates, recruitment consultants play a pivotal role in taking you close to your dream, but they are extremely overloaded by work targets as well as the number of resumes, and all this makes them highly self-centered. It's extremely important to understand the correct way to deal with consultants, because the same channel that is meant to facilitate you, if not managed properly, can become the biggest impediment in your path to success. Next, we still have newspapers. This door is clearly the oldest door available, but only used by companies in case of extremely large number of openings or walk-ins. But in this case of application on jobs advertised in newspapers, it is extremely important to understand the requirements first, else the entire exercise may go waste, both for the candidates as well as the employer. Finally, don't forget the social networking websites, the fastest emerging and would be biggest door. This is a new door which has been created only a few years ago, although I should have discussed it in first category itself, but it is of such an importance that I could not help and discuss it separately. This door, however, is a path full of landmines, but once successfully the path is crossed, it has unlimited opportunities with long-term advantage. This door not only takes time to be built, but also to open up, and it requires loads of hard work, patience and endurance. Learning to use it to your advantage is the best thing a person can do, as otherwise it may cause a disaster. But the biggest buzz comes from doing it all at once. Regular monitoring the performance and emphasize on the one that yields the most. However, in this case, not completely ignoring the other ones. So don't wait. Take inputs from the videos which are to be followed and start building the doors right now, because opportunity may be looking for the one to knock upon. Good luck and thank you very much.